Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically clip your videos on YouTube. So to do that, you're just going to select clip. Well, you can also clip somebody else's videos. So select clip and select the area that you want to clip here. I'm just going to title mine dance. Then I'm going to select share clip. Oh, it must be longer. I'm going to select share clip. And once you're done, you can share it. You can copy and paste that link. I think it's in the U tab here. You'll be able to see the clips here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.